Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to receive a money on your Western Union app. So let's actually get started. So it's really easy and simple. First things first, what I need you to do, I need you to download and open the Western Union app on your mobile device. You want to log in with your account details or just create an account if you haven't done that yet. And once you're logged in, guys, I need you to look for the option to track a transfer or basically receive a money. All right. So you want to be entering the MTCN number, which is a tracking number. Okay. You want which actually will be provided by the sender, and this number, guys, I'm gonna emphasize right here because it's very crucial for identifying the transaction. It's basically a reference number. Okay. Next, what you need to do, guys, is verify your identity. So the app may ask you to upload a photo of your ID or enter some additional personal information to confirm that you're actually the intended recipient. Okay, and once your identity is actually confirmed, you want to choose how you'd like to receive the money. So you can select direct deposit to your bank account or pick up in cash at a nearby agent location. So if you choose a direct deposit, you want to provide your bank details, and for cash pickup, the app will display nearby locations where you can collect your money. Finally, guys, what you want to be doing is you want to confirm the transaction. You basically going to be receiving a notification code once the money is successfully deposited or ready for pickup. And that's it, guys. Receiving a money on the Western Union app is very quick and easy. So if you found this tutorial helpful, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Guys, see you